It's that sinking feeling. Not only have you just lost a game of chess, but your opponent tells you that you missed checkmate. By doing some checkmate puzzles, you will train your mind to spot opportunities to win games of chess. In this video, there are 4 puzzles to solve. When each new position appears, pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. The first thing to do is to look at the king you are trying to trap. Find out which squares it can move to. Then, for mate in 1 puzzles, have a look at your pieces and work out how you can give check. One of the checks will actually be checkmate. Black to move and mate in 1. Let's light up the squares. Are any of these squares safe for the white king? The h5 pawn attacks g4, and the g6 pawn defends its friend. So although giving check with the pawn looks tempting, this would leave the h5 pawn undefended. Can you spot the other way black can give check? White to play and mate in 1. This position looks a bit strange. Perhaps black promoted a pawn on the last move. OK, so where can the black king move? The white pawn attacks d8 and f8, and the white king covers these squares on the 7th rank. So we need to use the knight on e4 to give check. There are 2 options. But d6 is defended by the black queen. Black to play and mate in 1. Gosh, this is a busy chessboard. But don't let that put you off. Just go through the same thoughts as usual. Where can the white king move? Because of all those friendly pieces, there's only 1 square to think about. Do any of the black pieces attack this square? Well done if you spotted that the black knight on b4 stops the white king escaping to c2. Can we find another black piece to give checkmate? It's always worth checking what the queen can do. Is this the winning move? No, there are actually 4 ways to escape this queen check. The check can be blocked with either the queen or the bishop, or the queen can be taken with either the pawn or the other bishop. Definitely not the move we're looking for. The only other piece which looks threatening is this knight on c5. We could play knight takes bishop, but the white queen can take back. There is one other possibility. Can you spot it? And here the knight is safe. OK, let's look at this last one. Black to move and mate in 1. The white king is stuck in the corner. The black pawn attacks the only possible escape square. We just need to find a way of giving check. It's not too tricky to spot. This knight is the only piece with a chance. And there's only one way it can give check. The king can't move. You can't block a knight check, and none of the white pieces can take the knight. So it's checkmate.